My name is Silas Inova. I'm a visual artist. I'm based in Copenhagen. I work with contradictions, I think, in my practice, and also like the materiality of different things is very important to me, and like questions related to nature and technology and our human acceleration is important to me, I think. I work a lot with sculpture, and I use like different medias in my sculptures, like unconventional medias, like for example, like from this exhibition, sugar and oil, or also microbies. I work a lot with microbies, but also food products. The three works is kind of like it's part of the series titled Future Friture, and it depicts these organisms which in nature are immortal. It's this tiny jellyfish called Turritopsis dohrnii, which regenerates itself. It's only like very tiny in real life, like this small. And so when it reaches a certain age, it regenerates itself and turns into a polyp again, and then start growing old again. And it does this in a continuous process. So two of the work depicts that organism, that small jellyfish, which is actually immortal, and the other one depicts the Hydra organism, which has the same ability, but which is found different places around the world. And so the works, because of this immortality thing, the work is kind of like relates to our human desire for obtaining immortality, from, say, the oldest religions to nowadays, where like newer technologies try to, where like there's this promise of like we can maybe be immortal because of technology. Yeah. So anyway, these organisms are portrayed with sugar. They're made of sugar and submerged in oil, and so these two is very opposite kind of like abilities, because the sugar and oil is kind of like the most unhealthy food products we can find, but also we crave this product so much. It's like from when we were hunter-gatherers, we just wanted this thing in nature just to give these quick energy boosts, and now they're just so present everywhere in society, and so we tend to go for this kind of like quick boosters. Yeah, so the work is very much about this opposite, about like opposition with immortality and very unhealthy food products. Yeah, so there's also this thing like it's very much, these two works, they're very much about preservation, of course, and while the one that's in the aquarium, it preserves actually the sugar, but once it's put outside in the open air, it draws down moisture from the air, and it will start crumbling during the exhibition period, and then finally it will be totally melted and gone. So it has these two different functions, the one being totally preserved and the other one being very alive and decaying in a different way. First of all, I'm just super happy to like be in this exhibition, because I think oftentimes when I get invited to shows, it's very much about this nature discourse kind of like thing, and so for me it's very much a new thing to be included in that whole thing. But I think it relates very much to this thing about this quick like booster, kind of like we want these quick fixes and enjoying things, and things that are sinful. And I think like sugar and oil, I just think that that was how I very much saw myself in that whole constellation. Yeah, so, and also this thing about like things getting heavy, things getting weighed down, there's this lightness to things, and like this promise of immortality. It's like or eternal joy or whatever. It's like kind of non-existing or utopia. So yeah, in that sense, I think it relates very much in that sense.